Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to turn on light mode on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to Facebook's settings page. Now, in the left-hand menu, find and click on Dark Mode. This is where you can manage how Facebook appears on your screen. Finally, under the Dark Mode section, you'll see three options: On, Off, and Automatic. To enable light mode, simply choose Off. Facebook will immediately switch back to its bright and clean interface. And that's it. You've successfully turned on light mode on Facebook using your PC. Enjoy browsing with a refreshed look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you next time.